ladkiyon, liye, zindagi. No more silence, no more fear. Women rise, your time is here. Waile sobs, Tatenda, Mawaya, Mr. Wires. In the village where the silence screamed, the girl with dreams was told she's weak. No books, no chance to speak, just spots and scars on her cheek. But the fire never died inside, she said, I was born to rise. From Chitungwiza to daily lights, feminine power gonna light the skies. No more chains, no more pain, this is for the daughters that remain. Books, voices, hands to rain, mamas and sisters break the chain. Waile, Tatenda, Mawaya, Mr. Wires. Waile sobs, Tatenda, Mawaya, Mr. Wires. Rise up, mama, don't let them break you. From the dust we build a nation greater. Educator, celebrator, in her hands the future safer. Rise up, mama, no more silence, say her name. Fight the violence from Africa to the Indian dawn. The power of the woman must carry on. They said stay small, stay home, but we rewrite what we were shown. From funding dreams to micro loans, women building empires on their own. Give her tools, give her land, give her leadership in hand. Digital skills, a voice, a stand. She's not a shadow, she commands. Waile sobs, Tatenda, Mawaya, Mr. Wires. To every girl denied education, to everyone silenced by tradition. You're every youth with aid at the table. You are not broken, you are unstoppable. Empowerment is your birthright. Your revolution begins tonight.